From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
Showers are on the decrease, and a look outside here. Skycam 7 looks a little sparkly in spots, right lighting there in the background. You can see a little breaking in some of the cloud cover there. We'll show you more coming up here in just a second in the way of our radar and what we're anticipating for tonight, but especially for tomorrow. Right now we have cloudy skies and it's 48 degrees. That's the current temperature. Precipitation very light in most spots, but it did get the ground wet, stayed there wet for a while with high humidities for this morning, so it didn't evaporate too quickly. McCall, though, had about 23 hundredths of an inch of rain, which was out of this storm. Storms, quite a bit of that's to our north. This one particular computer model shows 9 o'clock this evening, maybe a light passing shower. We could still see that, but it's kind of a loner on that. Everything else is kind of decreasing. When you look at the temperatures for tonight, they will be dropping down, and you can see the lower 40s for tomorrow morning. So here's why we could see maybe a shower so far this evening. We still see a few spots coming in here from the northwest. It's all a part of a parent storm that's up here throughout Seattle, Portland. They're getting a lot of rain. The ridge of high pressure, you can kind of identify it by taking a look at kind of a ridge right through here and coming down to the southwest portion of the state. That's what's going to move over us for tomorrow. Now, the difference with that is that it keeps the moisture to our north, so we stay dry, and then we start getting that southwesterly flow too. So that's going to start warming us up just a bit. You'll see this in the forecast. Magic Valley has temperatures tomorrow right around 60, some spots in the lower 60s. Sun Valley, Haley tomorrow, both locations right at 51 degrees. Now, when you look at McCall, high temperature 48, but down in Cascade, it's 51. Valley locations have temperatures well above 50. In fact, many spots could get very close to 60 degrees. Now, there's the 60 tomorrow for Boise. Meridian's close. As you notice, 59 degrees, and the same thing for Kuna. 7-day forecast, nice day tomorrow, nice day Saturday. I'd say Sunday, quite a few clouds, but we're going to see sunshine. And then Monday, storm system comes in late Monday, moves into Tuesday and Wednesday, and that provides some showers there. Then you look at Thursday after the storm moves out, northerly flow. Ooh, temperature down to 29 degrees. Let's look at some of those lows over the next 10 days. Not only does it drop down to 29 next week, but it stays down there in those lower 30s. That's a big difference in what we're expecting here over the weekend. And then when you look at the highs, well, the highs do the same thing with some of those lows. You notice the highs for the end of next week, middle or the end of next week, has temperatures that are basically into the middle 40s. So we're going to be cooling down quite a bit. Expect that next Tuesday and Wednesday as we see some showers that will be coming into the area, and then that's going to really drop the temperature. So intact here. Enjoy the next 4 days. Do this.
What is it about the trends that 64 to 43 as a high on that specific day?
It's the time of year. It's the time of year.
Always when it flips?
You know, it's making all kinds of transitions because we're heading toward winter. So, you know, it just all of a sudden just falls.
Hey, at least we're not in the Midwest or the East where they're getting a blizzard this weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, crazy.
That's why we don't live